Today we will gonna discover how we can add custom 404 pages into our Next application. So I have run my application already here, so you can just open your IDE and run it on your terminal with the yarn dev, and let's start. So let's say one of the user just end up being in some of the paths you don't have, or it doesn't exist. It will end up in the 404 page like that. This is the prebuilt 404 page into the Next.js, and as you see, it has a one div, and it has the text. It says the 404 page has not been found. Into the header also the page could not be found. Let's create our own right now, and I will show you how we can do that. So in our application, into the pages folder, we need to create a new file inside the 404 directory, or you can just make it 404.tsx and put it into the pages. But I prefer making it into the folders like this. It is much more easy to configure afterwards when we add the styles. So let's say const page 404 equals, and it returns a div. It says oops, and let's add a header here. The page you are looking for does not exist. And here let's add a p element. Please return home page, and let's add a link, and here you can say a element click here, and let's make it if you want to return home page, click here, and the ref will be, so now it will be like this. Alright, now we can export default page 404, and let's wait for the compiling has been completed. And when we go to our page now, I forgot to import the link here, so let's add it here. You see, now we have the page looks like what we want, and we have the ops, and also the page you are looking for does not exist. If you want to return to home page, click here. So let's add this one into another paragraph. It will look like much more easy. So I will add a couple of stylings into the styles module right now. So for that reason, we can add here page 404 module.css, and we can start importing the styles and start using there. So the first thing I would like to do, the class name is style dot, I will call it button 404. So let's come here. Let's call it the color as this. Alright, so we have our class, and we need to import our styles. So, right. Alright. We need the button 404 anchor element because it's in the anchor here, so it didn't turn up to color I wanted. So were we making a mistake? It didn't add the styles into the link element, so the reason I need to add that is the anchor element itself here. So yeah, let's go to here so we can change the button 404 directly, and it should be fine. Yes. Alright, so we have the click here, came up here, and I want to make all of the this div into the centered here, and I would like to give it some height. As you know, we have on the another pages we have our main element, so I will copy the classes directly from here, and I will add it to our pages 404. So here class name equals styles and container 404, and let's go here and call it container 404 is this. Alright, let's make the identifications for 2. As you see now, all of them seems into the centered, so we have our ops, and the page you're looking for does not exist. If you want to return home page, you can click here. So as you see, all of the things is working as we expected. There is a bit height is so high, so we don't see the footer. I will just align it with the kill the padding here. So also reduce the, that's a bit low. It is the 75 VH, looks much more better now. Of course these can be changed, but for now all of the styles look good. And let's add also the click here, and border 1px solid blue. It will look like much more as a button. As you see, now we have that we can add the border radius 4px, and now that's it. It looks much more better. So let's add the padding 5px as well. As you see, our click here looks like much more better right now, and we have our custom 404 page. You can add some images, you can change the color of these and other elements, like, I don't know, for example, class name, styles, header 404, and if you just come up here and add header 404, and if you want to make the color as red, because it will be much more seem as a warning the page you're not looking exists, and you can do that, but it's up to you, you know, but you can always change, edit whatever you want here. So thank you for listening today, and that's how we can add the 404 pages to our Next.js applications, and that's it. I wish you a good day.